Hey, what's up everyone? This is a brand new video. Hope everyone is having a great day. We will be checking out my vending machine location today and restocking and collecting cash, see how much they made. This will give anybody a good idea on how much one location can do in just about 2 weeks. Comment below your favorite snacks and drinks to snack on. I love all kinds of snacks, but Kit Kat, Twix, Hershey with almonds, mug root beer, brisk lemon tea, and water are probably my favorites all time.
Thank you for watching. Pulling into the location. Just a couple cars here already. Love to see it. It's a school day, so there's kids all around. Good things. I find it a little easier some days when I take the cans and bottles out of the box already, so that way it saves me a little bit of time when restocking the drink machine. I definitely need to upgrade the size of my cart. This one's a little small still. Alright, let's check out the machines. So this video was a few days ago. Just checking on the drinks and snacks, seeing what I had to restock up on.
Three days later.
Now back to the present day.
Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3 Musketeer left, 7. These kids up here are prime addicts, all gone.
This is an extreme first.
So the first thing I usually like to do is wipe down the fronts of my machines with a little glass cleaner. I like to wipe the keypad too, and the area where people reach in to grab their items. Move on to the snack machine. Definitely a good little tip, keeping your machines clean, attracts more customers, so keep your machines clean, y'all. Now the fun part. So the best method I learned to restocking machines is using the FIFO method, which is first in, first out, which basically means the items that you bought previously need to be pushed up front and the new items need to be stored in the back. That's how I always was taught, so good lesson to, keep your machines restocked. Here's another little tip that I learned from Vending Biz. Shout out to him. Put a little money on the back of some of your product, keeps customers coming back and, spending more money on your machines. Machines are looking full. Like it. Now the snack machine, definitely a good tip, is definitely restock from the back to the front. That way you're not crushing any items that you put in the front while you're putting items in the back. Definitely, I like to have like 2 or 3 slots where I'm like switching things up. So I am trying cookies and Oreos instead of mini muffins and the big Texas cinnamon rolls. I like how these packages look more than the clear honey buns, but those sold out pretty quickly. And the Sun chips have been getting hit pretty hard, so those have been one of the best chip sellers. Definitely the least favorites are those wavy potato chips you see there. So I've taken those out since this video is updated. There's the trick again.
It's been about 2 weeks since the last time I checked our machines, and let's see how they did.
Alright, we are back on location. I just refilled it again. Got a little more product for the drink wise. Got like some Hawaiian punch in there. Wasn't able to find Prime this week. I'm a little sad. That was the best seller again. But got some vanilla Coke, some Fanta. Now we collect the money. Best part, baby. Usually I'll leave the coins in there for the whole month, but the cash I'll collect every 2 weeks. I pay no commission here, so it's all profit for me. Now obviously everything isn't profit. I have to spend more money on more product when I'm running low. Sorry, it's hard to grab the money with just one hand. But both machines did very well. Very happy with how both of them have been doing. It's only been about 3 months, guys. So this is about 3 months of just putting in credit card readers, putting in product, finding out what the customers like, and I can't say I've had any more fun anywhere else. This is starting a vending machine business has been a lot of fun so far. I've been enjoying every minute of it, and this is only 3 months in the making, so we add more locations and the kids come back to school after summer, but I would say these machines have been doing wonderful. Now counting the money up. I haven't invested in accounting yet, so I have to do it all by hands. Got a couple of 5s, a lot of quarters. Count it up. Now, if you want to see more content from us, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok, leave a comment, like us, subscribe. Total here was about $143.80. Now, if we go to this is my credit card machine online.
Drink machine, got the snack machine, and total for cash. Right here, $358.50, 58%.
All right, the total for the whole month of May, $315.45 for the drink machine and $306.60 for the snack, bringing the total to $622.05 for the whole month of May. So that's how they did for the whole month of May, guys. I'm very happy to see how they did. That was the first full month of having credit card readers on there, and they literally doubled the numbers since last month. So I'm very happy. That's the end of the video. Thanks again for watching, and please just like, subscribe, and have a great day, y'all. Catch you next time.
Thank you.